Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the highlights?
It's hard for me to see in the sun. I'm
sun.
just seeing the
Gold.
brightness.
It's all gold.
Oh, it's pretty. I like the color though.
Yeah.
It's
Here he
like
comes.
A burgundy or like a different. It's a little redness to it. I like it. It's pretty.
I didn't want red.
Red, but
No.
like I want to say almost like an auburn.
All right.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
It's getting there, Liam. The more you do it, the slipperier it's going to get. Hey, Hunter, what are you doing?
Are you rolling?
Are you shoveling? Yeah, we're at Buchanan Circle, and they made a hill out of the island, place to put the snow. And they're making a hill for the kids to slide on. It's being groomed by the neighbors. Yeah.
Careful.
There we go, nicely groomed. I'm taking movies.
Liam, wave. Wave, Liam.
Hi, Liam, wave.
Liam, wave. There you go.
It's very bright, I know. Good job.
That's a good one. I should do it.
Good job there, buddy.
Okay, Liam, here it goes. Yeah.
Wow.
Push, push.
Push. There you go.
Why? Hunter's grooming the trail for you.
He's helping the path for you. He's helping the path. Good job, little buddy. You're being a good helper. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoops. Jeez. He's so delicate. There's no fear to him.
They're sipping their cocoa.
Okay, send him down.
Yeah.
All right, there it goes. Oh, well, you know. There we go. We're going to try again. Now that it's a little faster. Very good, Liam. Okay, get out of the way because the other girl's coming down now.
Whoa. Good job.
That was good. Is it Hunter's turn? All right, this I got to see. Hey, Hunter, what are you going to do? You going to close your eyes? Here he goes. Hey, very good, Hunt.
That was fun.
That's enough.